Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI 3. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with the door sensor. In the beginning, prepare door sensor. Go to NUKI app and enter settings. Go to features and configuration. Enter NUKI door sensor. Add door sensor. Right here we've got the image how to install it. This part has to be above doors and this part has to be connected to door frame. Confirm. Hold down the button for 10 seconds. Let's remove this firstly. Tap next. Stick the door sensor and magnet to the door frame and door. Start calibration. And follow the next steps. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.